Hare Krishna. I'll be speaking about Bhishma Panchak. There is a fast observed in the last 5 days of Kartik Damodar month, which is known as Bhishma Panchak. Grandfather Bhishma Pitama fasted for these 5 days, preparing to give up his life. During that Vrat Puja, offerings to the Lord are prescribed. There are also mantras that go with these offerings. In the Padma Purana, it is stated that in addition to Ekadashi, one can observe a Pancharatrika fast until Amavasya. The fasting starts on Ekadashi day and continues until the Ras Purnima day. The fasting is broken at sunset or at moonrise on Ras Purnima day. Generally, complete fasting from all foods is recommended on Ekadashi, and then the following 4 days fruits and roots fasting is to be done. Also, one can do 5-day fruit and root fasting. Devotees can choose whichever level of fasting from the following as is convenient to them. It should not disturb their normal devotional service and daily sadhana. References from Padma Puran, Brahma Khanda, Chapter 23, Skanda Puran, Vishnu Khand, Kartik Mahatmya, Section Chapter 32, Garud Puran, Purva Khand, Chapter 123. Level 1. One can consume products of the cow, Panchagavya, each for each day. First day, cow dung, Gomaya. Second day, cow urine, Gomutra. Third day, cow milk, Kheer. Fourth day, cow yogurt, Dadhi. Fifth day, all products of cow mixed, Panchagavya. Level 2. If one can't follow level 1, one can take fruits and roots fruits with many seeds should be avoided like guava, pomegranate, papaya, cucumber, etc. So normally one can take fruits and roots. Boiled potatoes, raw banana and sweet potato can be taken boiled or baked. We can use sea salt for taste. Cashew nuts, raisins, dates can be taken. We shouldn't take milk and milk products in this level of fasting. Coconut water and grated coconut can be taken. Level 3. If one can't follow level 2, one can take Havishya. The following are the ingredients that can be used in making the Havishya, which is a special type of khichdi made with these items: atap rice, ghee from cow, Sandhva salt, that is the salt from ocean, milk from cow, milk from cream, ripe banana, kala shak, wheat, fruits. Skanda Puran Nagar Khand says they must be with a small seed or with a few seeds only. Mango, jackfruit, labali fruit, roots except kia, that is a type of grass or root, Pipali, Hiratiki, Nagaranga, Ikshudravya or sugarcane derivatives other than gur or molasses, and no oil. The following ingredients are normally a part of Havishya but have to be avoided in the month of Kartik: moong dal, til oil, beta shak, shashtik shak, radish, jeera, tamarind. One should take bath in the Ganges or a holy river every day and should offer tarpan 3 times for Bhishma Dev by saying the following mantra: Tarpan Om Vayagraha Padyagotraya Samkriti Pravaraya Cha Aputraya Dadameya Tat Salilam Bhishma Varmane. Arghya Vasunamavataraya Santano Ratmajaya Cha अर्घ्यम ददामि भीष्मया अजन्म ब्रह्मचरिणे प्रणाम। ओम भीष्म संतानवोभिरा सत्यवादी जितेंद्रिया अभिराद्भिरा वपत्नातु पुत्रपौत्रो चितं क्रियम। Offerings to the Lord. References taken from Garud Puran. Devotees may offer the following flowers to the deities. On the first day, one must offer Padma or lotus flowers to the feet of the Lord. On the second day, one must offer Bilva or wood apples, leaves of the thigh of the Lord. On the third day, one must offer Gandha, scents, to the navel of the Lord. On the fourth day, one must offer Java flower to the shoulders of the Lord. On the fifth day, one must offer Malti flower to the head, Shirodesha, of the Lord. When there is an overlap of days, then the flowers for both the days can be offered on the same day. In this way, Bhishma Panchak is observed. Srila Sut Goswami says in the Padma Puran, Uttarakhand, this liberating fast is unknown even to the demigods. If one listens to what I have said and fasts on these days, even if he had sex with an unqualified woman, that is his sister, daughter, mother, etc., he becomes free from that sin. Even if someone attentively just listens to this narration, he also achieves happiness. I tell you the truth again and again that one should keep this fast secretively and continue performing it unceasingly. Such a person surely achieves liberation. Thank you. Hare Krishna.